I did just get back from a whole entire trip to Woolworths for the sole purpose of getting myself an iced coffee. What did I forget? An iced coffee. Right now, I'm making myself my instant coffee. So thankful I have these little Nescafe sachets because you actually don't need milk with them. And milk is something I too do not have. But one thing I did manage to get, Corinthians choc mint. Never tried them before, but as you guys know, I'm in my chocolate mint era / I've always been in my mint choc era. I love mint choc chip. Delicious. Literally delicious. This is actually going to be my snack while I edit the vlog you're about to watch. Welcome to Vlogmas Day. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 7. I hope you enjoy. Once again, we're at the Matchy warehouse. If you don't know me, my name is Sav. This YouTube channel is all the behind the scenes of my small business, Matchy Australia, a quilted makeup bag brand, a quilted travel bag brand. I make quilted bags by hand. This is my warehouse. This is how I get things done. Another day of fulfilling orders. Side note, we did put the Christmas tree up here. As you guys might be aware, we're trying to move from our home, so I actually didn't put the tree up this year at the house, which is pretty surprising to me, but for some reason I just don't want to decorate. Probably because I don't want to take everything down in January, so I'm just like not putting it up. I feel like the Christmas spirit is from within, but I also feel like literally 5 days before Christmas I'm gonna get like a rush and urge to like decorate and do more Christmassy things. But really my sole purpose has just been working, because I have wanted to get as much sewing done as possible, etc. And then also try and be on top of next year, which isn't really going too well. But I will say I just literally placed a order for Sunday and breakfast date. So when you're watching this, you'll either be able to pre-order them and it will be landing to me the 23rd of December. So literally after we come back after Christmas, they'll all be able to send out. So you won't have it in time for Christmas presents, which is really sad, but it is restocking. And I know a few of you guys have been wanting the Sunday and the breakfast date, so yeah, I just didn't anticipate for it all to be sold out after this holiday rush. Side note, this Christmas mug is probably getting me in the Christmas spirit because God knows nothing else is. I've never used this as a straw, but I'm gonna just, it doesn't work. I let my intrusive thoughts win. All right, see you guys. Evie, what are you doing? Okay guys, I'm switching over to voiceover and we are going to be packing your orders. My stickers have actually been selling way better than I thought they would, which I'm so grateful for. They are really good quality. Like, I literally put some on my drink bottle and then put my drink bottle through the dishwasher and there's like no difference. There's no like weird sticky residue or anything. This first order is 3 stickers. I think they got the cherry, the Sophia, and also the cookie plate and Tia carry-all bag. This is our very last Tia carry-all bag. This next order is a carry-all bag in the banana gingham colorway and it was also personalized. Also, let me know in the comments if you want me to add more colors to the embroidery options. I keep it with an off-white because that's just like the matchy aesthetic. But I'm definitely open to possibly adding like maybe a light pink or a chocolate brown thread, but let me know in the comments what you think I should do. This next order is another e-reader sleeve in the 6.8 inch and it is the cherry colorway pattern, cherry pattern. Then we've got a matching set of chocolate Georgina gingham in the book sleeve and this is the medium size organizer pouch. You can get medium long or medium. Then we have a Sophia carry-all bag. I'm so happy to be making these again because we've got our fabric in and we've got a lot of fabric of it. So lots of orders have been going out. Then we have another matching set. This is the carry-all bag and the hair tools pouch in Sophia. Hair tools pouches are really popular. This is a hair tools pouch in the cherry print. I'm pretty sure they're so popular because around Christmas time, oh, they also got a bear key ring, which is so random. We're actually nearly sold out of that, but I'm kind of glad to see them go. I think I've had them for over a year in stock. Yeah, definitely over-ordered on them, but they are slowly selling in the last half of this year. Yeah, I'm really excited to see them walk out the door. Let me know what other keychains you guys want me to do next because I would love to do some more. I think this is becoming my favorite print. I don't know, there's something about it, like I almost need like clothing in this. It is our signature stripe and this is the hair tools pouch. It doesn't come across well on camera, so I need to do like a proper video close up for you guys to see it. This print is so sweet in real life. I absolutely love it. It's not too dull as well. Like, it's a little light on camera. It's actually like very pretty in person. Then we have the cutest matching set of personalized, well, they're not matching in print, but they're both personalized and I have a feeling they're getting gifted. We've got the breakfast date book sleeve and then we have the carry-all bag in the Sunday print and they both have personalizations. They're so adorable. I don't think I showed the camera because I'm pretty sure they watch. Then we have a Sunday e-reader sleeve and that is everything. We're all packed up and ready for the postman. I've lost my microphone, so hopefully you guys can hear me fine. I've just got everything to restock the drinks fridge because it's obviously summer and I have been drinking a lot. I also got these peppermint chocolate mint Corinthians, which I'm excited for. I really don't think you guys are going to be able to hear me, but we'll see how we go. Firstly, I got these lemonades. Also, everyone that comes to my warehouse, like, the first thing they do is raid my drinks fridge. So these don't last long at all and it's been a while since I have restocked. These are peach flavored sparkling waters, which I really enjoyed last time, so I got them again. And this is a new flavor. I haven't tried this. It's mango passion organic kombucha and I'm really into like mango-y drinks at the moment, so this sounds like a bit of me. Cool. Hey guys, I actually didn't do a sign off for this vlog either, so I will see you guys tomorrow. I hope you have the best day, night, whatever time it is you're watching, and yeah, bye guys.